This is my procedural split flap display made with Blender. This project created 3 years ago is still going strong with continuous support and updates, but I always felt like something was missing. You see, it works perfectly in Blender, and you could export it to GLB using a method I shared in the guide, but that method, it resulted in hundreds of megabytes of file size. Introducing the modular rigged split flap display setup, a new, more efficient way to create split flap display animations, fully rigged, modular, and export ready. Now you can export it to GLDF, FBX, USD, and more without the massive file size. So how to use it? The animation is already included in these formats. Duplicate the module while selecting both the object and armature to expand your display. Edit the animation by selecting the armature, switching to pose mode, then make sure all the bones are selected. Control the timing by moving the keyframes, and scale the keyframes to adjust the speed. Stop at a specific character by making space in the timeline, and duplicating the keyframe at that character. You can create the animation first using the geometry node setup as a template, then use the rigged setup to make the export ready animation by matching the animation of each module to the geometry node's animation. And if you're wondering how to get the frame, apply the geometry nodes modifier in the geometry node setup, go to edit mode, hover over the frame and hit L to select link, hit P to separate the selection, and now the frame is a separate object, and you can delete the other flaps object. Now you can use split flap display animations in game engines, web platforms, and more. It's finally here.